Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Ella Dishes It Out. Today we're going to be doing something different. We're going to be doing a Greek meal. So we're going to be making some beef souvlaki. And it's basically beef shish kebab. So let's get started. I've had this meat that I've been marinating for 3 days now. This beef right here, I cubed it, and I've been marinating it for a couple of days now. So now it's time for me to put it on the kebab sticks and get ready to cook this meat. So let's get started. So I'm gonna tell you what marinade I used. I used olive oil, and I used garlic, and I used Cavender's Greek seasoning, and we're going to put it in this pan right here. So I've got some sticks here. Now the difference between a souvlaki and a kebab is that you put the souvlaki on the stick horizontal wise. So I'm putting it on the stick horizontally, like so. And the marinade is really marinated because, like I said, it's been marinated for 3 days now. And there you have it. That's a souvlaki. Okay, so let's do another one. I think I could probably get 3 done with the meat that I have. So you just push it on the stick horizontally, the meat. Instead of going this way with the meat, you're going to go horizontally with the meat. Okay. Be sure careful not to stick yourself, because that's easy. I did that when I made some chicken wings the other day. I stuck myself. If you feel your meat pulling apart, just keep pushing through. I don't want to stick myself. Okay, this is the last one. So there you have it. So what I'm going to do is put these in the oven and let them cook. Put a little sauce on there. It's nothing but olive oil that's kind of starting to freeze up a little bit. This garlic smells so good. Okay, and there you have it. I'm going to put these in the oven and come back when they're done. Okay, we're getting ready to take our Greek souvlakis out of the oven. Our Greek souvlakis, they're done. I'm going to take them out of the oven. So they cooked on about 350 for about, I guess, 30-40 minutes, and they're done. Now, what we're going to do is let them sit for a few minutes, and then we're going to side one of them off, and we're going to make a Greek gyro sandwich with this Greek bread, gyro bread. So, and this is my sandwich toppings that I'm going to use on my sandwich. Got some lettuce, onions, and onion, and tomatoes. You can use whatever you would like on your sandwich, but typically it's those things. All right, so it's gonna, like I said, I'm just gonna let it cool off for a while. Let me turn my oven off. let it cool off for a while, and then when they're all nice and cooled, I'm gonna take one of them. I'm gonna slice the meat off it, and I'm gonna slice the meat up into tiny pieces. You can have this over rice, you can have it over potatoes, you can have it over whatever you like. You can have it over salad, whatever you like. Tomorrow I'm gonna make a Greek salad and maybe a pasta dish. So I'm on this Greek kick this week, guys. Alrighty, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back, and we're getting ready to slice up one of these. I'll take the smallest one, and I'm gonna put it on this cutting board. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull the meat off the stick. Oh, that looks so juicy and tender. Pull it off the stick. Can be a little difficult. Slice this meat up so that I can make me a sandwich. Gyros. Slicing these bite-sized pieces. Oh, that smells so good, y'all. I wish I could push my smell through the camera. Now you can cook your beef to your liking, well, medium well, rare, but I do not like rare. So this is well done steak, which is what I like. I like medium well to well. Okay, so I'm not gonna use all these pieces in my sandwich, but I'm gonna give you an idea of what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I'm gonna get my bread right here. I'm gonna put my lettuce on there first. I'm gonna put a couple of tomatoes on here. See? I'm gonna put some meat on here. And then I'm gonna put a few onions on here. Just a few, because I have really bad heartburn. Let's put 3. And we're gonna roll this bad boy up, like so. Now, if you wanted to put some steak sauce on there, you could. Whatever you want to put on there, it's, you know, it's up to you. So let's do the taste test. Turn the camera around. All right, so here we go. The taste test is here. That is so good. So good. Want to know how good it is? I got lipstick on my sandwich. That is good. The flavor of the meat, the flavor of the onions I added on this sandwich, just gives it that extra snap. And so you can roll it up like so. So the other half, you don't have to worry about holding on to. There you go. Greek gyro. Or as they call it, souvlaki. Souvlaki. Which is a fancy word for, Greek word for, you know, gyro sandwich. Skewers. Kabobs. All right, thank you guys for tuning into my channel. Ella Dishes It Out. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.